Hi guys, my name is Rupal from Lexus & Company. Today I am here to tell you about Form INC 22A, also known as Active. Active Company Tagging Identities and Verification is a filing requirement for companies incorporated in India. It was introduced by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs to verify and update the details of active companies. Here is a brief overview of the Form INC 22A. Purpose. The purpose of filing Form INC 22A is to ensure that MCA has updated information about active companies in India. It aims to identify and take action against shell companies and to promote transparency in corporate sector. Second, applicability. All companies registered with Registrar of the Companies under the Companies Act are required to file Form INC 22A. However, certain companies are exempted from filing, including companies that have been struck off, companies under the process of striking off, companies under liquidation, and companies that have been dissolved. Deadline. The initial deadline for filing Form INC 22A was 25th April 2019. However, if a company failed to file by the deadline, it has been marked as active non-compliant and subjected to additional fees. It's essential to check the latest notification and guidelines from MCA for any updates on filing deadline. Information required. Form INC 22A requires companies to provide various details including registered office, photograph, director's detail, email and phone number, financial statements. Certification. Form INC 22A needs to be certified by practicing CA or practicing CS or practicing cost accountant. Consequence of non-compliance. Failing to form INC 22A by deadline results in the company being marked as non-active compliant. Non-compliant companies may face penalties and restrictions on certain transactions and their directors may be disqualified. It is important to note that the information provided here is a general overview and it is advisable to refer to the latest notifications issued by MCA or consult with the qualified professional to ensure compliance with specific requirements and deadlines related to Form INC 22A filing. So, if you have any further doubts, please comment down below. Thank you.